Come on, Derek, it's time to go on another adventure. And this time we're going in a hot air balloon.
Up and away, my beautiful balloon.
Welcome to the Yarra Valley. Welcome to the Yarra Valley. And I've stepped out of my office into someone else's, and that's Harry's. And he's a balloon pilot. And he's invited me along and a whole heap of other people to go on a flight. And he's also asked me if I could fly the balloon as well. Where are you going? What's the matter?
Not going anymore.
I've seen plenty of balloons being flown. It's easy. It looks easy.
Oh, that's got to be the weirdest dream I've had in quite some time. Suppose I better get myself out of bed, go on another adventure. But it's so cold out there. Maybe I'll just stay in bed, just for a few more minutes.
Well, good morning. Did you like my little video at the start there? I'm experimenting. I'm trying to work out whether I can actually put together a video, a 3-minute video for the road video competition. tons of cameras and stuff to be won there. Every year I think I'll go in it, but I eventually chicken out because I haven't got anything that I think would be any good. So I've played around, I've experimented, I'm on the right track. I may make one and put it on. Anyway, today, another reserve. I've been here a few times before. It's all about lyrebirds today. So let's get out onto the track and have some fun.
And as you wander through the reserve, you'll find other interesting things as well, like nesting boxes for large owls. Winter flowers are in bloom along with the funguses. And the odd wombat here and there. Deer also infest this reserve. Hidden deep in the valley is a small waterfall. Not that easy to find because of the steep terrain and the undergrowth. But listening out to the water cascading down the rocks gives its location away.
Well, I've taken some good shots already of this waterfall. It must just make it into the category of a waterfall. Nothing fantastic, but it's a bit of fun. I like the textures and the colours on the rocks and the moss on the side here. I've lost the light now. The sun was breaking through the trees and hitting all those rocks up there, and the moss was lit up, and it looks like it's going to come out really well in camera. And I had to use high dynamic range mode for a few shots because the sun was hitting the water at the bottom there like it is now, making it far too reflective. So using high dynamic range mode in camera has taken all that problems away. So that's what I've done. I'd like to introduce you to my new tripod. Yes, that's right. Saved up me money and bought myself something that's going to help me out into the future and now. And I'll do a review on it eventually, but at the minute I just thought I'd show you new tripod. Look how tall the bloody thing is. It's taller than me, which isn't all that amazing. I'm not all that tall. But it's helping me to cut down the sky by getting it up full height, shooting back down a little bit. Awesome. And a whole heap of other things that I'm starting to really love about it. But anyway, we'll leave that for the future. I've taken some shots. Beautiful colours, textures. Take them home, see how it's come out. But I'm enjoying myself, I'm having fun. Now I'm going to go back from the opposite side. I did come down from that way. I'm going back up that way and see whether I can catch some lyrebirds on the way back. So not bad terrain to get through. Actually, this is probably one of the more easiest reserves to get around in. Well, I've really enjoyed my walk around this reserve. Beautiful place to come and hang out for a few hours. It is midday. Can you hear any lyrebirds? No. This is when they chill out, go and find some worms, other stuff to eat. And they'll start up later on in the afternoon, somewhere around 2 o'clock maybe. But it's time for me to go home and have my breakfast. I'm getting really hungry, but enjoyed my time here, photographing the waterfall. That is hidden place too. Actually, this whole place is not a tourist destination. It's what I love about coming here. If you want to photograph, film lyrebirds, this is a place to come. You'll have to put the hours in. You'll have to find one of the male's little stages and just sit there and just hang out and enjoy being out here in the forest and wait until they turn up. But the ones here do like to jump up onto the trees like I showed you. They can fly. You wouldn't think so by looking at them, but they can fly and they're pretty good at it. Most of the time when they jump off the trees, they glide more than anything, but they can go a long distance. All right, so I've really enjoyed it here, but my time is up. I'm going home. Now, if you'd like to subscribe, click on the subscription button down below and you hit that little bell, you'll get notification whenever I do anything else. And if you'd like to go and have a look at my channel, look at all the crazy things I've been doing in the past, click on the icon down below. There's over 90 videos to choose from there, so go and have a browse. There'll be something there of interest there. Now just remember, if you don't do, you don't get. So get out there and start photographing, filming wildlife, and I'll catch you on the next one. Probably have to do this a couple of times, just making sure my mic's working, and it seems to be working. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I got to get my shit together.
Come on, Derek, it's time to go on another adventure. Up, up and away in my beautiful balloon.